Do you believe a person can be atheist, which is that he doesn't believe in God?
Yeah.
But can he be moral at the same time as well?
Definitely. There is an entire atheistic philosophy school of thought in Hinduism called Charvaka. Right.
Yeah.
So the Charvakas are complete materialists. They don't believe in God. They don't believe in any of these things. They believe that jo dikhta hai wo hai. The purpose of life is to have a good life, enjoy life, enjoy the fruits of the universe,
Right.
and have fun.
Yes.
But it is still part of Hinduism, and it still has the ethics and morality of Dharma.
Okay.
Right? So it is entirely possible for a person to be an atheist and still follow a virtuous, rightful path, a dharmic path, or any other religious path that you want to. It's
Right.
your choice. But certain religions don't allow atheism. I mean, in some religions, you're not allowed to be an atheist. You have to believe in God, their God, and all that. But in the dharmic paths, you can be an atheist. So it's up to the path that you have chosen for yourself. Right. Certain paths, like the dharmic umbrella path, the dharmic path, you can be a complete atheist and still have ethics and morality and the proper way of life according to that path.
Yeah, absolutely. There are different researches done on this as well. So there was this one research done which the data which they got was like कि अगर एक civilization develop हो रही है, मतलब it's underdeveloped kind of, वो टाइम पे एक धर्म के इन्फ्यूजन से लोगों में मोरालिटी थोड़ा सा बढ़ता है.
हाँ.
धर्म इन्फ्यूज किया, थोड़ा बढ़ता है. लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक स्टेटिस्टिकली वेरी लार्ज नंबर, बट इट्स स्लाइटली, थोड़ा सा मोरालिटी बढ़ता है. बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज लाइक लेट्स से द स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज, तो वहाँ पर दे आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एथिस्टिक कंट्रीज. वहाँ पे जो पॉपुलेशन है ग्रेटली ज़्यादा लोग हैं जो एथिस्ट है, बट वहाँ पर क्राइम रेट्स भी ऑल टाइम लो है.
See, crime and atheism, I'm not sure there is a correlation.
Yes,
it
absolutely.
depends on how.
No, but
well
people think that.
I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
You will find that some of these nations where you have extremely high rates of atheism,
Theism.
atheism.
Okay.
They also have very high suicide rates.
Oh yeah, yes. Japan, for instance.
For instance, Japan also, there are lots of atheists nowadays.
Yes.
Historically, it was a Shinto Buddhist country.
Yeah.
But today you have a lot of atheists there, and you have very high suicide rates. There are other countries, examples also.
Right.
There seems to be a correlation with atheism and high suicide rates. So see, suicide is when you feel like you have no options left, no hope left.
Absolutely.
And life has no meaning anymore. What gives life meaning? A religious or spiritual or philosophical path.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure that atheism is always the right way. You can be an atheist, but if you have the right groundedness in life and the meaning of life and all that, then you'll be fine. But without that, your life will eventually end up being meaningless, and you will not know कि भाई हम क्या कर रहे हैं जीवन में, जीवन का अर्थ क्या है, purpose क्या है, what's the point of whatever I'm doing.